The top 7 vitamins and minerals to strengthen your legs for life. Imagine waking up every morning with legs that feel energized, strong, and stable. No cramps, no weakness, no fear of losing your balance. Your legs are the foundation of your independence. They carry you through walks in the park, dancing at family gatherings, or simply climbing the stairs without hesitation. And while exercise plays an important role, nutrition is the true secret to maintaining powerful, healthy legs well into your senior years. Today, we're reviewing the 7 most powerful vitamins and minerals that can transform your leg health by strengthening muscles, preserving bone density, improving circulation and coordination. These nutrients can be the difference between a life of mobility and one limited by weakness or falls. Let's dive in. 1. Vitamin D, the muscle and bone powerhouse. As we age, bone density and muscle mass naturally decrease. One of the most overlooked causes of this decline is a vitamin D deficiency. Why it's crucial. Vitamin D is not just for bone health, it also plays a direct role in muscle strength, balance, and coordination. Low levels are strongly linked to muscle weakness, poor balance, increased risk of falls. Research in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism shows that seniors with optimal vitamin D levels have stronger muscle fibers, better reflexes, and improved coordination. The aging challenge. Older adults produce less vitamin D from sunlight, and lifestyle changes often reduce outdoor time. This leads to weakened muscles and brittle bones, making even minor falls dangerous. How to boost your levels. Sunlight. 15 to 30 minutes of morning or late afternoon sunlight on arms and legs. Foods. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, fortified dairy, egg yolks, mushrooms. Supplements. 800-1000 IU daily, higher doses if medically advised. Pro tip. Always pair vitamin D with calcium for maximum bone protection. 2. Calcium, the bone defender and muscle activator. Calcium is famous for building strong bones, but it's also vital for muscle contraction. Every step, climb, and squat depends on it. Why it matters for leg strength. Without enough calcium, bones become brittle, increasing fracture risk. Muscles may cramp or feel weak. Stability and endurance drop. Best sources. Dairy, milk, yogurt, cheese. Non-dairy. Kale, bok choy, almonds, tofu, sardines, fortified plant-based milks. Daily target. 1000-1200 milligrams from food plus supplements if needed. Bonus tip. Combine calcium intake with weight-bearing exercise like walking or light resistance training to help your body deposit calcium into bones where it belongs. 3. Vitamin B12, the nerve protector. Strong legs aren't just about muscle, they depend on healthy nerves to send quick, accurate signals from the brain. That's where vitamin B12 comes in. The problem with aging. Older adults often absorb less B12 due to reduced stomach acid and digestive changes. A deficiency can cause heavy, tired legs, tingling or numbness, poor coordination and slower reflexes. Best sources. Animal-based. Fish, lean meats, eggs, dairy, shellfish, clams, liver or richest. Plant-based diets. Use B12 fortified foods or supplements. Good to know. B12 supplements are safe, as excess is excreted in urine. Blood tests can detect deficiencies early. 4. Magnesium, the muscle relaxer. If you experience night leg cramps or restless legs, magnesium may be your missing link. Why you need it. Regulates muscle contraction and relaxation. Prevents spasms and stiffness. Helps calcium get into bones rather than soft tissues. Signs of deficiency. Frequent cramps, especially at night. Fatigue and muscle weakness. Reduced endurance. Best sources. Spinach, pumpkin seeds, almonds, avocados, black beans, whole grains. If supplementing, magnesium citrate or glycinate are best absorbed. 5. Potassium, the muscle communicator. Potassium works closely with magnesium to control muscle contractions. Key benefits. Prevents cramps and tremors. Improves nerve-to-muscle communication. Protects bone density by neutralizing acids that weaken bones. Best sources. Bananas, sweet potatoes, oranges, spinach, beans, avocados, and potatoes with skin. Daily target. Women, 2,600 milligrams. Men, 3,400 milligrams. 6. Vitamin K, the calcium director. Vitamin K ensures calcium is sent to your bones, not your arteries or soft tissues, where it can cause stiffness and poor circulation. Why it matters for leg health. Increases bone density, reduces fracture risk, lowers joint inflammation, easing stiffness. Best sources: leafy greens like kale, spinach, collard greens, and broccoli. 7. Protein, the muscle builder bonus nutrient. While vitamins and minerals are crucial, don't forget that protein is the raw material for muscle repair and growth. Without enough, even the best vitamin plan won't maintain strong legs. Best sources: lean meats, poultry, fish, dairy, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Final takeaway: strong legs mean freedom, independence, and quality of life. The top 7 nutrients: vitamin D, calcium, vitamin B12, magnesium, potassium, vitamin K, and protein, form a powerhouse combination for maintaining mobility as you age. By combining a nutrient-rich diet, sensible supplementation, and regular physical activity, you can keep your legs strong, stable, and ready to support you in everything you love to do.